Package task delegator declares that the class belongs to the task delegator package. Imports jobbox.swing for GUI components like GFrame, GBottom, JTable, and etc. Java.out for layout managers and basic GUI tools. Java.sql for database connectivity. Java.time and local data to handle the data. It is used for deadlines. Javax.swing.table and default table model. It is a way to manage table data. Public class task delegator contains all logic and UI. It declares form fields, a drop-down for status, the task table, and its model. Constructor creates the main window and sets up its layout to border layout without spacing. Creates a panel using grid layout, 4 rows by 2 columns with a titled border. Initialize text fields and a drop-down combo box for task status. Add labels and fields to the input panel. Creates a panel with flow layout and 4 buttons. Adds the buttons to the button panel. Initialize the table model and defines its columns. Creates a table with the model and drops it in a scroll panel. Combines buttons and the table in one panel. Places input fields at the top and the rest in the center. Attach click actions to buttons, triggering relevant methods. Creates the database table if not existing, loads current data, sets window size, and display it. When the users click a row in the table, the task data is loaded into the form fields for editing or deleting. Creates a table named tasks with the necessary columns and data types. Connects to MySQL database task DB with username root and no password. Deletes the task identified by the entered task ID. Retrieves all rows from the database and display them in the table. Resets the input form to empty or default values. Start the GUI in the swing thread safe way using a lambda expression.